Sup guys, Juggalo here, and it is snowing in Colorado. If you didn't hear on the news, they're making a huge deal about it. I'm just gonna walk to my car and see how much snow we got on it. I got off work at 11 o'clock and driving was not too pleasing, I have to say, but now there's no way I would want to drive in that. If I have to, I will. I'm just gonna see how bad my car is, covered in snow. Shouldn't be that bad because I was actually parked in a parking garage, thankfully, and I don't have like a foot of snow in my car, I hope. So make sure I don't get my license plate. But there's my car right there, and it's not that bad, but it's bad here. I'm just wondering, where the hell's the snowplow? There's cars getting stuck here. There's people walking around. My wife had to go to work and drive in that condition and everything, which I feel bad for her. You got a car that's already stuck up ahead. See the tires spinning? So it's pretty bad here. So if you guys are in Colorado or any area where it's snowing in the States, hope you take it easy. Stay inside if possible and stay warm. Comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. You guys have a great day. Bye.